Yeah, today, what do we have? We have this. We have Deadpool Dice Master. So we're gonna open this. Yeah, you wanna open with me? You open it with me. We're trying to look. Yeah, we're trying to look for that Holofoil Magneto card. Huh? The Holofoil and Magneto card looks like this. So let's see what we can get. Let's hope we can get it. Wanna try and open? Oh, we don't even need this. You can just rip it open. Yeah, see? Look, what's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Oh, see, you got a couple of dice. Hey, open your mouth. Not for your food. Put inside here. There. Yeah. And let's see what card we got. And oh, the commons, but domino and motorcycle. One. Yeah. Take this out. What else we got? Open some more. You want the dice? Don't put in your mouth again. There. One dice. There. And what card do we have? Lockjaw and Phantom X. Nothing. No magnetos. Huh? I'm counting. I'm gonna make sure it should be even numbers. One number is missing. That means you ate it. Oh, two more dice. Yeah. Good. Put it in your bowl. See what we got. And what? Not a single holofoil yet. What's going on? Try again. You move faster this time. Some more dice for you. One more. We got some weapons and still no holofoils. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah. This one? Ooh, Mr. Sinister. Yeah. And still no holofoil. What? Hey, even holofoil? Yeah. The other two? Look at the dice. The dice look kind of cool. More. Got this, and they're all bended. Okay, put your hand out. You want the dice? There. Okay. One. Second. Two. Okay. Finally got something. Angela. Hey, you're on spawn, man. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. Cool. First holofoil. Not the Magneto one, but still. Woo! Yeah, another two. Ooh, look, a black one.
2, 3, 4, 5. Red.
Oh! What do we have? Black Tom Cassidy. Hey, yes, another one, but it's that weapon. Nothing special. Still.
Okay. Red.
Huh? Red? What's red? Oh, yeah, orange. Orange and? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yes, good. So clever. And same, oh man, 3 of the same cards and same cards. Duplicates. Yeah. Oh, look. What color is this?
Red.
Huh? Oh, what color is that? What color is that? blue. This one's yellow again. And oh, the blind L. And multiple man. Oh,
One.
go again. Oh, very good. Great.
Three.
Hardly any holofoils. Look,
Yellow.
yellow. Yeah, and do you know what color this is?
Blue.
No, not clever. Oh, chimichangas. Oh, and ooh, outlaw. Nice, but not holofoil. Okay, let's try and get through this. Yeah. Oh, some more. Ooh, another black one. And what color is this dice?
Purple.
Yes, clever. And see what I got. Anything special? Nothing. What are you doing with your lion? No, that don't go there. Oh yeah. Oh, look, what colors are these?
Purple.
Yeah, I guess it's more pinkish.
Red. Brown.
Brown, yeah, not bad. Oh, yay. Okay, let's see. Agent X and ooh, Shiklah. What? Demon Bride, Shiklah. Okay. What else you got? And oh, look at this color. That's something else. Hey, it's see-through. Ooh, it's translucent. Cool. Hey, the dice actually look nicer than the cards. Wow, check it out. Spider-Man 2099. Nice. Well, low again. Still cool. Wow, look at these dice. Multicolored die. Multiple. See? How many dice you got so far? Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, Lady Deadpool. Nice. Oh, Medusa. Nice. And then, what else we got? Oh, okay. Yeah, some more your colors. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow, yes. This one? Yeah, doesn't matter. I also don't know what color that is. Mr. Sinister and Chimichangas back. So we got 4 more left. The holofoils actually look nice. Might consider getting more. The dice look nice too. Oh, look at that. Oh, Wolverine. There you go. Take it. Okay, yeah, good. Oh yes, another holofoil. Motorbike. I want to see like, oh, Wolverine. No. That's a nice one. You want to open one? Okay, you only open. Let's see how baby luck. Let's go, baby luck. Do we get the Magneto card? Here, you got some brown and another brown. Maroon? Nah, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Oh, hit monkey. No. And more weapons. Eh? You got the last pack. Okay. Let's just open this one. Ooh, a red one. Red one? And Lady Bullseye. Oh, nice. The two are the same. Last one. Thank you. Oh. Oh, you're rubbing your eyes. Are you tired? This is the last one anyway.
Red.
Lockjaw and Nothing. No Magneto, but so these are hits. Man, they're all like not perfect condition. Good.
Why?
Good. 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 This is a nice one. I like this. Good. 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 And that's it.
You.
Thank you.
You.
Hmm.
You.